Hey, this is Shane's Spin, where we look at dash cam videos and talk about the craziness of them in these accidents, okay? And this particular one is something that's odd to me, because as we watch this video, you know, now it's from England, okay? And it shows how traffic laws are different in other countries, because here we see the car turn to the right. No blinker, no nothing. Bam, the motorcycle hits it, causes a huge fireball. Fortunately, it looks like the driver was okay. But the interesting thing about this video is in the United States, this is pretty easy. You know, we're gonna target the driver here for basically making an improper right-hand turn, right? Failing to yield the right-of-way to the motorcycle. However, in England, they gave the driver a ticket, okay, and said that the driver of the motorcycle should have been exercising due care and slowed down and stopped, okay? Be aware, if you're driving in other countries, the laws are different, okay? So what goes in the United States may not go there. I'm Shane from Shane's with the Law.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.